Hello geeks, welcome to College Coders. So in this video I am going to show you how you can download Node.js for Windows, okay? So firstly open any browser and type here Node.js, then enter, okay? After that click on the downloads, okay? So here you can download for Windows, download for Mac OS, okay? So in this video I am going to show you how you can download for Windows, okay? So click on this Windows. After that guys you can see here our download has been started. So download completed. You can directly open from here, okay, but I'll go to download folder, okay. So click on this, then click on download. So you can see guys here our node setup is completed. Download, okay. So double tap on it, preparing to install. So click on the next, check the agreement, okay, then click on the next. Here you can choose the directory where you want to install node.js, okay, then click on the next, then again next, then next, okay, then click on the install. So you can see guys here our installation has been started. So we will wait till installation. So Node.js has been successfully installed. So click on the finish, okay, and open PowerShell. So search here PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, then open it. Firstly maximize, then zoom it, okay. Then now we will check node version, okay. So type here node hyphen version, then enter. So you can see the guys the version of node v20.11.0, okay. Then again type here npm hyphen version, then enter. So you can see the guys npm version here 10.2.4. That means node.js is successfully installed in our system, okay. That's all about today video. So if this video really helpful for you, so like this video, subscribe to College Coders and click on the bell icon for new videos notification. Till then, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in next video.